Okay, here we are in Bend, and we just had lunch at, or dinner I guess, at the Pizza Mundo. And wouldn't you know it, there is a road race pit stop through here. We'll take a look at this old Ford. That's the Riverside, California to Tacoma, Washington. And here we are in Bend, Oregon. And cars. This is one of their pit stops. What'd you say the leg was?
6.
This is the 6th day in a nine-day trip up to Tacoma. I'm just gonna walk down. There's a GTO convertible. Probably like a 67. That's beautiful. Look at this old Packard over here. Wow. So you got another old Ford. Beside you got old Chevy pickup. You got is an old Pontiac, is that? You want that old that's beautiful. Oh, this is the one I want right there. Look at this thing. This is beautiful.
Look at the dash too. It's just beautiful.
Studebaker. Now the rules to this is it's got to be 74 or older. No, perfect guys. Look at that. I'd almost say that's an old Gutenberg. This old Oldsmobile right there. Look at that. This is an interesting one. Something on top of it. That's Nova, Buick convertible. Over here you got, look at this.
It's Studebaker, that cream color one.
Oh, is it? Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
It's an old Hudson. How fun that would be. So these guys are driving them from Riverside, California up to Tacoma, Washington to LeMay's. Old Volvo station wagon. I talked to this guy. He's got his family with him. He's taking this on a trip. How fun would that be? Well, we'll just walk down here and see anything that's cool. I'll point it out.
Making new memories all over the United States and Canada. Part of the unofficial Corvette Club, it was a 1962 model, very good car. Rshackbbq and Sue Stearns called Mentor Ohio home. Welcome to Bend, Oregon.
Okay, we're out to breakfast here and try to get a picture of our view out the window. We're up here at Sun River Lodge Resort and we're eating at Carson's for breakfast. Got McKenna with us. Okay, so we drove back here about 7 miles. It's a dirt road back up into here. Basically you come to this parking area and the trail is back over here. You'll see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a sign back there. There, we ran up and read that, and this is the trailhead right there. So we'll get going on the trail. We do have a porta potty out here, which is kind of nice.
Remember me and your dad arguing about that? I've had that same argument with Andrew because he says Fisher.
Okay, that was the hole in the ground. We only walked about half of it because you got to walk it all the way back too. So you're talking about 4 miles. But it was pretty neat. Was it worth it?
It was great. Yes, 100%. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you're out here in the southern eastern part of Oregon, definitely look this up and take the time to come out here and see this neat land phenomenon, I guess you'd call it. Anyway, we're gonna head on off to the next stop.